He must know I've been a good boy a lot. Oh, a Peeps. That's funny, a Peeps. Okay,
Oh,
Peeps.
neat.
Whoa, eraser serves. I gotta eat a lot of erasers. This is totally a lot of fun. This is I've never seen this one.
Oh, good.
What? 3?
What are the movies that you got? Let me see those. Those look awesome.
They're all Mickey Mouse movies.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Super Adventure. Out for the Climbers. Mickey's Carol.
The Quest for Crystal Mickey. Mickey's Christmas Carol? What's that last one? DuckTales?
DuckTales, the movie.
Oh, awesome. It's going to be some fun watching.
Let's see if I got any eggs in here. Oh man, no candy eggs.
You have a lot of candy eggs from school?
No, I don't. I ate all the candies.
Okay. But we have candy here.